How to treat acne-prone skin. Acne-prone skin means that breakouts happen more easily and more often for you. And, unfortunately, it's not a simple skin type that will just go away on its own. Instead, acne-prone skin requires consistent treatment over a number of months or years to manage it effective. Wash problem areas with a gentle cleanser. 1. Try over-the-counter acne products to dry excess oil and promote peeling. 2. Avoid irritants. 3. Protect your skin from the sun. 4. Avoid friction or pressure on your skin. 5. Avoid touching or picking acne-prone areas. 6. Shower after strenuous active. Baryal Glamour, a luxury skincare brand, beauty beyond the boundaries. Hi everyone, Baryal presents a luxury hair and skincare brand, Baryal Glamour. In our day-to-day life, it is very hard to take care of our skin, hair and face too, in such a busy schedule and high altitude of pollution and messed up life routine. We all need something easy, something